My job. I started a new job last year. The job was very difficult and my salary was low. My boss was not kind and I worked many hours every day. My talks were boring and I made many mistakes. My colleagues didn't offer much help and I felt very unlucky. I wanted to quit, but I needed the job. Instead of giving up, I decided to work harder. I learned new things, asked questions, and listened to my boss. I arrived early and even worked on weekends. After 6 months, things started to improve. I got better at my job. My boss smiled at me and my salary increased. I was very happy. Hard work truly brings success, and now I realize that perseverance is more important than luck.